Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach inside the 2024 Resonate 29G, a great motorhome for family travel. We're not going to look at just the 29G today. We're going to look at the 29D. Two great floor plans. What fits your travel best? Well, let's take a look around and point out all the goodies. Starting up front, one of the goodies you're going to find on both floor plans across the actual Resonate lineup. These are built on Ford F53 chassis, 7.3 liter V8, 335 horsepower, 468 pound-feet of torque, 8,000 pound hitch. It's got all the good stuff, even up here for the drive. One-touch leveling jacks, heated remote mirrors. You have an emergency start switch. Over here, you have a couple of thumb pads. This top one is going to scroll through the dash, trip meters, maintenance reminders, all of those. Down below, your cruise control. Over here, I love this for a couple of reasons. One, eyes on the road, it controls the infotainment center. And this button here with the camera will actually pull up when you press it, either the left or right rear view mirror. There are cameras integrated in those, and when we head outside, we'll look around and show those to you, but that will pull up the image in that camera and display it right here. This is also where you're going to take Bluetooth calls, control for your sunshade, the cabin lights, and again, the dash across the Resonate lineup is going to look the same, HVAC controls, and your dash radio, Sirius XM satellite radio, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. All right, so what's nice is you can plug in your phone no matter what you use, download your favorite RV specific navigation, and that will display right here. A lot of cup holders. Moving over to our passenger seat. Look at this. Flip out dash workstation. So you set up the laptop when you are on the road, use it as a little office. When you are set up at camp, connect to the Winegard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender. Wherever you're having to be, it keeps everybody happy, right? Because nowadays everybody needs to be online. Do that right from here. Use it as a little place to eat breakfast in the morning. These chairs also swivel around. You have plugs down below. So this, when these turn around, work into your living area. Do want to point out though, you do have a drop down overhead bunk, 500 pound capacity, and into our living area, starting with the theater seats. Right, so you're sitting here, you keep the remote in here, you can watch TV, cup holders, kick back, and a lot of cup holders for the ride, right? So you're gonna have seat belts in each of these for the ride. You have cup holders back here, so you're riding in style, outlets up above, speakers tied into the dash, a lot of storage cabinets up right over here. You have more storage right here. And into the dinette we go. Seat belts in here for the ride. Again, cup holders, a wireless charger right back here. Safety, child safety tether built in right there. This is the sunlit silver decor, by the way, in the coastline gray cabinetry, which looks absolutely wonderful. This makes into a bed here. You're gonna have seat belts for 6 in here, and then you're gonna have sleeping here and then sleeping up in the bunk above. So a lot of family sleeping and gathering and travel and all of the good stuff that you enjoy about vacation. This is a great kitchen setup in here. You move your artificial carrots very carefully. These crack me up, and put those, save those, and if you winter camp, there's the nose for your snowman. 3-burner gas cooktop right here. Have an oven. And then you have storage down below here. This is your microwave. You know what you can do in there. Popcorn, frozen vegetables. Have you ever eaten frozen vegetables? Oh, you know what? Yes, I will say I've never heated them up in the microwave, but bring a griddle, hook it to the exterior propane connection we showed you. Benihana action at your campsite with the exterior propane connection. I take that back, frozen vegetables. Don't take it personally. Nice storage here. You have a large single bowl sink here with this roll-out cover, so you can do all your dishes in here, let them dry, and then put them away, and then gently place your artificial carrots back where they go. Storage down below, easy access to all of your plumbing, even a little flip-up countertop extension. Solid surface countertops, by the way. Not that you would need this with the amount of room in here, but hey, you can never have too much counter space. Yeah, even drawers over here. A pantry right here. Look at that, large. Fit up your appliances in here, coffee makers, blenders, toasters. a number of drawers down here. You have your double door fridge and freezer right there. Ooh, that's on. That feels awesome. You even have a privacy door so the people sleeping up front have their own area. And into the bedroom we go. Washer dryer prep in here, so if you want to load that up as a closet you can, or if you want to install a washer dryer, that's where you're going to do it. More counter space right here, or pantry space or closet space, however you want to use it. And look at the size of this bed, right? Ease, a nice king bed back here. USB charging ports in the nightstand. Now this is a flip up bed, so you got to flip that up when you put the slide in, so you cannot use this bed with the slide in. You put the wall out. 3 storage cabinets up above. Large closet, seemingly wall to wall back here. The ladder for the overhead bunk stores right back here. And I'll let Tom walk into our bathroom in the back here. You have nice printed shower surround. Your shower head is on the wand. Skylight up above. Foot flush toilet, your sink, a medicine cabinet. All of the things you want in a bathroom, privacy, space. Great floor plan, isn't it? But maybe you want something set up a little different for your travel. I think we have that. As we head on out, we're gonna walk on down to the 29D. As we do that, we'll talk about some exterior features that we find here. Now, the TV, the exterior TV, you will find across the Resonate lineup, as well as the power patio. Batteries and breakers there, even a pet tie down right here. You have a large storage bay right here. These are roto-cast, so they can get wet and dirty and grimy, and then you just hose them out. GFCI plugs right there. Another nice little storage bay there. Throw a shop vac in there, sweep out the sand from those kids traveling down to the beach and not washing off their legs like you asked them to before they head back into the motorhome. Not that ever happened, right? Another large storage bay here. Here's the propane connection I was talking about, where you're going to hook up the griddle. And where are we going to cook? We're going to cook frozen vegetables. And another storage bay here. You do have steel bumpers on these, roof ladders as well, large windshield. These are the integrated cameras I was talking about into the nice blacked out mirrors. Love the V8 badge, love the sound of a V8. Again, the awning, and then you have the TV back here. We'll hit out back here, we'll finish up the outside here, and then we'll head inside. And this is where the differences really start to materialize. You have the exterior kitchen out here, a sink, you have storage, you have your fridge, the propane connection right here, your propane tank, more GFCI outlets, and you're going to have some storage over here as well, and your fresh water fill. Want to point out on this, and I forgot it on the other one, but your occupant and cargo carrying capacity is 2,140 pounds. This comes in at 39 feet, 1 inch in length, and you can always find that on the door as you head in. Dash layout exactly the same as the last motorhome, but here's where we're going to have a couple of differences. Again, this has the theater seating, but if you want to option in a couch, you can put that in here, and that is going to make into a bed. This is a different decor. Love the white cabinets. Isn't that just an absolutely gorgeous look? That's our Malibu collection, right? And this is Shadow Birch decor. It's a great look. Now over here, campside dinette. Love having a dinette on the campsite. So set out here, look out at your beautiful campsite. Maybe you got one of those spots along the lake or along the ocean or the mountains, whatever it is, you do you on your camping trip. The gold hardware in here. Again, the nice sink, large counter space in here. Same utilities as the microwave, and then you have your oven. Just set up a little different. Maybe it's going to fit your family a little better. Both Resonates, at least we showed you today, and across the floor plan, you're going to have a control panel here for your generator, and you're going to have check your tank levels here, put out your slide, tank heaters, your water pump. This is your auto gen start, and then you have your thermostat. Midship bath setup in here. Again, the nice printed shower surround, the porcelain foot flush toilet, a lot of storage in the bathroom. It's a great bath. You know, that's one of the things you always want: privacy, you want space in the bathroom. You're going to get it here in the Resonate. Again, a fridge for you, double door fridge. Into the bedroom we go. Now this is set up, you have this nice dressers back here. Now you don't have the washer dryer prep like you had in the last one, but you have a nice dresser top. storage behind the TV. Again, nice sleeping here, large nightstands. You notice back in the corner there, we have a 12 volt, we have USB, and then we have a number of cabinets up above, and then over to our closet where we have, look at all this. Look at all the hanging space in here. Lots of hanging space, a number of drawers. Great for family travel. That's what these motorhomes are built for you to get out there and have a great time exploring with your family. Go ahead and make those memories. The Resonate lineup can be found on thormotorcoach.com. So when you're ready to build your own, now you know where to go.